Hello, beautiful family. I have another wig show and tell for you all today. Today's wig is brought to you by Nadula Hair. If you're interested in this wig, I will be sure to leave the website link and other website links that you might be interested in the description box. There's a message on the inside of the box. Don't quit, don't stop, don't give up. Keep it moving. I took that message as long as you have air inside your lungs and your heart is pumping, just keep growing through life, not just going through life. We are all in this thing called life together, family. But onto the wig. The wig comes stored in a long Ziploc bag. They send you some goodies when you order this wig as well. In the box, I received a fake scalp tape to put underneath the wig by the parting space, a Nadula edge band, 2 HD wig caps, and some eyelashes, another edge band, a makeup brush, and another set of HD wig caps. Right here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. It comes with a 5x5 closure parting space. You get 2 combs in the front, another comb in the back in the nape area with adjustable straps. They also inserted a adjustable elastic band. You can remove the elastic band if you want. And this is their Kinky straight blown out wig. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package. Here's a close-up of the hairline. Like I said, this is a closure wig, so the sides is just going to be weft while you only get a 5x5 lace closure parting space. The hairline comes lightly pre-plucked and the knots do not come bleached. As for the lace, it is made with HD lace. The texture of the hair on this wig, like I said, is Kinky straight blown out and it looks very realistic. So I went in with my Babyliss Prima flat iron. The hair is already kinky straight and blown out, but I would like some of the poofiness to go down. So in order to get some of it down, I'm going in with my flat iron. I have it on the temperature 410 degrees. I'm going in with no product because if I spray heat protectant on this hair, it's just gonna poof the hair back up. So I just went straight in with the flat iron, and as you guys can see, it does a little something. It takes away from a little bit of the poofiness from the Kinky straight texture, but that's just how Kinky straight hair is. Still gorgeous. I just don't want the hair to be too big and voluminous on me. I still want it to look natural looking. So this is just one option you could do when styling your hair, or you could like blow out the wig, or you could just wear the wig straight out of the package because this is supposed to be a beginner-friendly unit. But just style it to your liking. I'm just showing you guys what I did so you guys know how I got my end results. One thing I really liked about this wig is the fact that I went in with the flat iron on a really high temperature and it didn't take away too much from the texture. It didn't make it sleeky straight and bone straight. It still got that kinky straight texture. Off camera, I went in and plucked the hairline just a little bit more to my liking. You do not have to do this. I do have a video on how I pluck my closure wigs, so if you are interested in that, I will be sure to leave the video link in the description box. Hey family, now it's time for the wig install. And when I say this install is about to be easy breezy 1 2 3, man, stick around to see what I am talking about. So the lace is still attached to the wig. I ended up cutting the lace in my hand. I usually cut the lace on my mannequin head, sometimes while it's on my forehead, but this time I felt more comfortable cutting it in the palm of my hands so I could see the hairline and not cut into the hairline. Well, either way works. Just showing you another way instead of cutting it on your head or, you know, doing it on the mannequin head. After I cut off that lace, there's also lace in the nape area as well. I cut that off camera. Now, underneath the wig, I already applied some makeup powder, but only to the spots I'll be showing. So that's the parting space and the hairline. If I remembered I had that fake scalp in the bag, well, in the box that they sent, I would have definitely used that, but I forgot about that. Underneath the wig, I'm going in with a brown stocking cap. Wow. Do you guys see what I just did? I just put the wig on my head and you would have thought the install was done. But no, I'm not going to stop here. I have to apply some powder to the parting space. But so far, it's coming along great. And the hair on this looks great as well. Oh my God. Excited, y'all, for you to see the end results. Look at that. Look. Glueless, baby. Now I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360, and I'm just going to apply some of this powder on top of the lace. This helps hide the wig cap underneath. It also helps hide the knots on the wig, especially if you don't want to bleach it, and also help the parting space look a little bit more like scallop. Right here is my end result, my beautiful family. And I must say, I really do like it. I love how easy it was to install this wig. I styled the wig straight out of the package. I put it straight on the mannequin head, flat ironed it, went in and plucked the hairline a little bit more to my liking, did a middle part, bada boom, bada bang, and I was done. And I put the wig on and look, you guys, look how gorgeous this look. Even without layers, I'm still feeling this wig. I'm a layer girl. I like layers to frame my face, but this is just how the wig comes, besides me flat ironing it, and it looks great. It feels soft. It have a nice flow. It feels realistic. Like, look at the shine. I don't even have any product on the hair, and it just have a really nice natural shine. And I love how flat the top is. It's not giving like hump action. This could really pass for some real hair, and it's a really nice everyday wig. So I'm just going to say my quick thoughts on this wig. I love how realistic the hair texture looks. I keep mentioning that because to me, it looks realistic. Like, you could argue with me if you want. I love how it feels. It has a kinky straight blown out texture feeling. So it's great that it feels realistic, and it's also soft. It's not coarse and dry. It has a really nice luster on its own. This is day one with this wig. I didn't get any tangling, and shedding was very, very low. I got some shedding, but it could have been due to the fact that I went in and plucked the hairline, but the shedding was not horrible. When I split the hair in the back, my tracks isn't showing, and you can't see my wig cap. The length of this wig, if I am correct, it is 22 inches. If it's not, I will be sure to leave all the details to the wig that I have in this video in the description box. Actually, I am back with the length. The length is 24 inches and my height is 5'6", and it really do fall 24 inches on me. I installed this wig glueless. They said the lace is HD. Once you get the lace to match your skin tone, you are in for the clear, like you're set. You could rock this glueless, and that adjustable elastic band that they inserted on the inside, it comes in clutch because it have this wig staying still. I totally love it. I believe it's beginner friendly, and if you're looking for a wig for every day that you could wear to work but also take off at night, then this wouldn't be a bad idea. And the more you take it off at night, the longer your wig lasts. So that's pretty much it. I really don't have any cons because this was a very easy, simple install. The parting space is nice and deep. And like I said, I love how flat the top is on my head without it being like poofy and too kinky on me, making me look like I got a helmet head. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch. I'll see you guys later.